asking what clothes to wear. She'll put on the makeup and brushes her long blonde hair, and then she'll ask me, do I look alright? And I'll say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We'll go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she'll ask me, do you feel alright? And I'll say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful 'cause I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't